is a reason. Now, for example, when I'm teaching, I speak loudly. The reason I do that is so that people, everybody, can hear me. That's the reason. In Thai, what do you think? Reason? Reason. Okay, F1. Okay, now, type means different kinds of things. I think in Thai you say chanit. For example, I've got two types of pens here. I've got one black one and one red one. A choice. Different kinds, different types of the same thing. So when we're doing speeches, we've got different types of speeches. For example, we've got welcoming speeches. Then at the end, we've got closing speeches. Maybe we've got speeches for the Queen's birthday and the King's birthday. Different types. Okay. Okay. Also, we've got different occasions. Now, an occasion is a special day or time. What are the special days when you do speeches in Thailand? Special days. Songkran. Songkran. Maybe you do a speech at Songkran. Maybe. What else? Maybe December the 5th. Yes.
Visakha Busha.
Maybe for Okpansa, for Kaupansa. Okay, so you have special days, special occasions when you do different speeches. Maybe New Year as well, New Year party. The director does a speech. Now, addressing. This word here, addressing. Do not confuse with TU. ไม่ใช่ TU นะครับความหมายไม่เดียวกัน Okay, addressing is a polite way, very supap, very polite way of saying the action of talking to someone. Very polite. Now, when you are addressing people or talking to them in a speech, you make the speech and you address or you talk to them. Same thing. Okay, EG is an abbreviation or a short form and it just means example. Brief. It just means very short time. Brief. Information. Now the synonym for information is facts. Okay, information means facts, something that's real, something that's the truth about someone. Facts about a person, an event, a situation. Okay, details are just small pieces of information. And to summarize means to say everything in short form, summarize. When you get all the details of information and put them into maybe one sentence, very, very short.
Yes, same conclusion.
Yes, a conclusion is, summarized is different. In a conclusion, you might summarize. Okay? That just means to take all the pieces of information and put them in short form into the same place. Often, you do this in a conclusion. Often. Now, restate just means to say again. Restate just means to say again. Restate just means to say again. Okay? Restate. In a conclusion, you would often restate pieces of information. Formal is something formal is when it's done with manners. It's done very politely. Formal. For example, in Thailand, I'm talking to directors. So I say please, I say thank you, I why, very beautifully like this. I'm being formal. When I'm talking to important people, my behavior is formal. When talking to family and friends, not formal or informal. Dialogue. Dialogue just means conversation between two people. But today, when you're doing a speech, how many people talking?
Many.
How many people talking in a speech?
One.
One person at one time.
One person.
It's a monologue. Okay? You're only talking to people. They're not speaking back to you. It's a monologue. Okay? So, I want you to look here. There's a little mistake in your booklet. It says that day 2 is about practicing situation dialogue. Not in Mr. John's class. It's monologue. Okay? Mistake. Now, just to make clear, I want you to say what you think these words are in Thai. Reason in Thai.
Reason เหตุผล
Okay, Thai.
try
Occasion.
occasion โอกาส
Addressing.
addressing
Addressing in Thai.
ที่อยู่
พูดคุยกันใช่ไหมครับ Okay. Example.
พูดคุย
Brief.
brief
สั้นๆค่ะ
สั้น
San-san.
สั้น
Okay, short. Brief. Okay. Information.
information ข้อมูลข่าวสาร
Detail.
detail รายละเอียด
Summarize.
summarize
สรุป
Okay. Restate.
restress
พูดอีกครั้งหนึ่งใช่ไหมครับ Okay.
Yes.
Formal
formal
and informal. Opposite. Informal. Okay. And dialogue.
dialogue
Monologue.
คนเดียว
คนเดียว
Okay.
คนเดียวพูด
Okay, thank you. Now, what we're going to do is start having ideas, thinking about how to do a short speech. So please take a sheet